The ANC region in Free State fires scores of members for associating themselves with Ace Magashule's party. Although the region secretary Red Mohomotsi did not mention Ace Magashule's party by name, he said the members are occupying ANC positions, but they are later seen attending meetings of other parties. Magashule's party, African Congress for Transformation, was launched last month and it has already started making inroads in the province. During the unveiling of the party, Magashule boasted that the Free State is already in the bag, as he knows the province like the back of his hand. The regional secretary said, as the RC Regional Executive Committee, we have so-called members who defected to other parties. We have engaged with our structures formally to identify people who have not resigned from the ANC and chose to join the political parties. We have come to realize that there are instances where these people attend ANC meetings and the next day they are seen wearing t-shirts of other political parties. He added that what irked them the most was that these people were clinging to ANC positions while doing work for other political parties. He said these people are clinging to ANC positions while they poach ANC members. These people are sitting in ANC positions and not doing any work, but they are engaged in an attempt to cripple the ANC or weaken the ANC from within. On Wednesday, the chief whip of the ANC in the Matlabeng Welcome local municipality announced a suspension of Joyce Twala for allegedly being a contact person of the ACT. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.